It's part 5, September 30th, 2022. I had decided on a major change of framing. I had a large mat and frame that the drawing fit in the mat. I had to cut some sections out of the mat. The previous framing I had planned had this left expanse on the left for where I'd be drawing allegorical sea monsters, but it had this big section at the bottom which I wasn't really thrilled with. So now I'm able to draw allegorical sea monsters here, and as many as I want all around, and I've got a piece of plex that will fit. Hadn't planned on doing such a large work, but there you have it for now. So to be continued. All right, there you have it for now. How are we doing, budgies? Pajaritos or pajaritas, little birds.